Today we're looking at the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation in a Summit White. This one is powered by a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside you get these gorgeous jet black interior cloth heated seats on both sides with your power seat controls here at the bottom left, and of course up top you get a leather wrapped heated steering wheel. Inside you'll find our infotainment system with built-in Google Maps to go alongside your wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Further down you'll find your push-to-start ignition, as well as this vehicle does come equipped with keyless entry. You have trailer brake controls, dual climate controls, heated seat controls, and you get a USB-C and USB charge port. Down low you'll find additional storage, as well as along the side, 2 cup holders, our shifter, and inside of our middle console you get a USB-C and USB charge port, an AC outlet, and a wireless charging pad. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, you'll find our automatic power windows, and right above that you'll find our adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle you'll find our power locks, and down low you'll find our park brake, our drive modes, and our automatic high beam controls. Moving along to the steering wheel here on the right hand side, you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our menu selector here along the middle, and on the left hand side you'll find our forward collision alert, cruise control settings, and our heated steering wheel controls. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a rear view camera. And last but not least, up top, you get a universal home garage opener and power controls for your rear sliding window. Jumping onto the back here, we still have our black interior cloth seats, plenty of legroom and space for anyone sitting back here. In the middle, you get a USB-C and USB charge port to go alongside 2 vents, 2 cup holders, and behind each front seat, there's cubbies with additional storage. Speaking of storage, inside the seats itself, it does come equipped with additional space, as well as underneath. And last but not least, you have cup holders and your sliding power rear window. Checking out the exterior here on our Elevation, of course, we have our blacked out grille with our GMC badge in the middle, black tow hooks along the bottom. You get these gorgeous LED headlights and fog lamps along the side. Down low, we have our black rims on our general tires, black accent side mirrors, keyless entry handles that I mentioned earlier, tint in the rear window, 4x4 badging along the side of the bed here, and our corner assist steps at the back corners. Opening up the tailgate here, it'll come down no problem. Inside, plenty of space inside of our bed here with hooks to strap in anything you might need, and of course our 120 volt outlet here in the corner. And that is our 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation in a Summit White. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.